Hi, I'm Steve Dans. Thank you for visiting our website. We know you have a lot of choices when it comes to choosing your best Qui Tam attorneys, and we're honored to have represented whistleblowers like yourself in successful recoveries in the multiple millions of dollars over the last 30 years. In fact, we were the first Qui Tam complaint selected by John Bose for his first edition of this wonderful treatise on Qui Tam law. So back in that day, our complaint was on healthcare, resulted in a multi-million-dollar settlement. And today, amazingly, healthcare is still the predominant source of Qui Tam federal false claims recoveries. As you can see, in 2017, over $3.7 billion was recovered by the federal government on behalf of taxpayers and whistleblowers. Of that sum, 2.4, or almost two-thirds of it, billion, was for health care, plus an unknown sum for state Medicaid recovery as a result of that false claim. Health care recoveries have been against drug manufacturers for things like off-label sales, hospitals for upcoding, necessary worthless services, labs, pharmacies, and doctors under one of 5 different common federal false claim theories, including a reverse false claim where money is taken and then not given back because there has been no fulfillment of the promise made at the time the money was accepted. Think of grants in that capacity. So this is where the bulk of false claims cases arise. Regardless of your field, however, you probably have some of the following questions. And I'd like to just list these questions briefly. We had a young lady from the hospital field who was in here just a couple weeks ago, and I'll tell you what her questions were, and then if you would like answers to the specifics of your case, please call us or contact us online, and we'll discuss the answers to these questions and any others you have with regard to your particular false claim issue. Number 1, how can I keep documents while I still work here? Number 2, can I keep those documents even if there appear to be legal issues with it, such as under HIPAA? Number 3, should I report internally to my employer before I blow the whistle? Number 4, how can I protect myself against retaliation? On that note, by the way, Dans & Associates has been selected by Qui Tam firms across the country to represent individuals on their 3730 sub-H or individual retaliation claims as a result of whistleblowing. So we love to do that. We work with co-counsel such as Michael Hurst in Northern California, career government prosecutor in charge of a Northern California division of the Department of Justice for many, many years, and who himself has the largest single hospital verdict, $66.5 million in the history of the country. So the final question that many people ask is, what's in it for me? What will be my share? What will make this worthwhile? And we'll go through the penalties, the Qui Tam relator share, how that is divided up, and the difference between an intervened and a non-intervened case. So thank you so much for this chance to chat with you. We hope you'll call 877-789-9707 or use our online contact form